Hi fellow riders, this is just a short video to confirm that Pebble is still the best available display that you can get for Android for use with Wheellog, still on the newest S25Ultra, so running Android 15. It is possible to install the Pebble application using ADB and configure it with Wheellog. So Pebble Time still is the best display for outdoor use, for speed and battery level, etc., for unicycle riding. You can see that it's in fact one of my prototype wheels with over 10,000 kilometers on it already. This wheel has 155 millimeter of suspension travel and quite a good set of features. And also here you can see my daily setup with the Pebble Time. This one has a color screen, so mirror to see who is behind you, and the bell. And on the second glove you have the controller for the lamps, which are mounted on my helmet. So this technology is really still the best solution for the display for unicycle riding. All the best to everybody. Thank you. Bye.